Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a mask in the Adobe After Effects software. So in order to begin, I'll create a composition and show you how it's done. So let me create a composition real quick. I'll keep it 1920 into 1080 and it's 60 fps. So and for showing you, I'll download some files. So and I'm going to add a mask to the video. So let me show you that. Okay, so as you can see, I have imported this video, and what I'm going to do is put a mask on this portion and then show another clip on top of that. Let me just open the other file as well. Let me just add this one right here. Okay, so let me rescale it. Yes. And then so what I'm going to do is create a mask over to here and then put this picture in behind that. So first in order to create a mask, what you'll have to do first is go on to the pen tool. So you have this pen tool right here. Or you can press the G, and now I'll start drawing the mask. You have to make sure that the layer is selected and then you can draw a mask around right here. As you can see, you can also add curves to this one, and then you have to close this mask. I'll take it this way and then close it. As you can see, once I close the mask, the rest of the portion of the video is removed, and then I'm going to add this image, scale this image and show you. As you can see, that's how we can easily mask a video in Adobe After Effects. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.